There are some errors. Did you guys compile it?
Yeah, I combined it. Like,
Why is it so?
I don't know on Manish's end. So, do you want me to share the screen?
Like, this is a dev branch which I just pulled right now. It's giving me errors. I don't know why.
Oh yeah, this JSON exception import is not happening.
Like
It's,
this
it's,
is a dev branch. See? I imported something. I have to do like if I import something, that should have been resolved by default, right?
yeah.
It's fine. It's fine. Why did it ask me? Okay, anyway. Yeah. So like this is to get the BD consistency.
Yes.
Okay. This is okay. So
Or did I push that as well? That's just a dummy thing.
okay.
Yeah, you can just take it off.
So I can just which
Did we add a README file for Professor to run project?
so I gave a demo right now, and there's no readme right now, but like in the demo, I showed what all process to do. If they ask, then I will add a readme as well.
Okay.
So you guys share what all need to do for the front end. I'll do on the backend side. So this is the API, right? This is not doing anything.
Right, Sam. Not that. The first one. HTTP colon.
No, but it's a local host, right?
Okay.
Local host, it just works like this.
I
So,
always give it with HTTP colon.
Request required project from other parameter. Okay, you are passing project parameters.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Project and sprint. Okay.
Not that. It's just project equal to, I think.
But it will, okay, this is capital P. Project, what is the project? That one which we were using?
Yeah, we were using that. That and sprint 3.
এক মিনিট আসছি আমি ধরো হ্যাঁ tell me.
Oh, sorry. I was thinking.
Am I doing it right, this one?
Yeah, that's right. No.
I think port is 8080 or 8081.
8081.
It's 81, no? This one.
It's correct.
So
yeah, we haven't got the Taiga API, right? Did you map the Taiga API?
no, at least it should have come here, no? It's showing internal server error.
Yeah, Sam, can you just try a project is equal to ABC and some random name? Can you try?
It broke somewhere.
What is it saying?
Error while fetching milestone connection refused.
Your service is on?
Sorry?
Taiga service is running?
No, oh, it contacts Tiger. It contacts
It
Tiger.
contacts Tiger microservice. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. It gave it this data, right?
Huh.
Okay. So how are we calculating with this then for the BD consistency?
Okay, so for this, you have to say, for example, you have to map this SP done as one plot line and the BV done as another plot line. So actually BD consistency is the difference between them, the absolute difference between them. So
Okay.
on a graph, you have to plot them and show to see like how wider or closer the both lines are. Then you also have to show that burn down consistency. So on top, there is a value, right? Above daily value list. So that is the result of BD consistency. So that
Okay.
should be shown. That's the total area between them.
Okay. So one graph is where y-axis is this one you are saying SP done.
No. Y-axis is some value. Yeah. So actually, it should be like, for example, if it is 0 to 0.5, 0.5 is the maximum of all, right? So you can have on the y-axis value 0 to 5, 0.5, and on the x-axis you will have the dates. Then you will plot both SP done and BV done on this graph.
So y-axis are these values, no?
Huh.
These are the y-axis. And,
Yeah, that's right.
And date are the labels. Here, date are the labels. Basically,
Date
the
are the
x-axis.
Hmm.
And we have to plot these two together. Correct.
Together. That's right.
And display this one extra value.
That's right.
Okay. So that's all for BD consistency they have to do.
Mm.
What about this total? What is this total business value? Total SP?
This is for the entire sprint. What is the value? So it's
Okay.
just, it's not useful, I think, with respect to BD consistency. It's just, I'm giving that out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay.
Oh, there is also one. So you should actually take the maximum of all the numbers. That will be the maximum in y-axis, and the minimum is 0.
That is when that the graph will plot. But just y-axis, you have to give
Okay.
these values. No.
Okay.
Y-axis, this value is x-axis at this value. For this x value, this is y. This x, this is y. Okay. Cool. Abhishek, like anything you wanted to ask Vidya, Manish?
I think we are clear right now. Nothing else. We just need reference to plot this data. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Vidya, you can, if you guys can drop if you want.
Thanks, guys. Bye.
Okay, thanks. Okay, so you need to plot these, right? So okay, so right now this one which we are showing over here, this is a bar. So this is not going to work for at least the BD consistency, right? We need something of a line chart, right?
Yeah.
So where's the code? So like anyway, you guys understood, right? Let's say if I want to plot just this one, let's say if I want to plot 2 bars, that also you guys understood, right? How to implement this. Like do you have any doubt or anything you want me to clear? So what part do you want me to like elaborate on? Anyone? Like how to plot this exactly? This is what you asking me?
No, to get the data in JSON format, like in that graph, and the API calls in the graph.
So like this is the API, and you just call this API, you will get this data.
Okay.
So we should call that API, get that API and convert get the response into JSON, and then use the line to plot the graph, right?
Right. The response will already be JSON, like.
Yeah.
And you have the labels with you. You have the y-axis with you.
Mhm.
Just have to plot this and display these values.
Okay,
Anyway, like,
is Manish here?
Yes, yes.
Yes, Manish. So we talked about this today morning, right? So feel
Yes.
free to change. I just added some static data. I just given some static data to the graphs. Feel free
Okay.
to change the graph components and the code in that, because I
Uh-huh.
have done it very.
Hmm.
I mean, I didn't do it. I didn't structure it properly when it comes to the graph thing.
Okay.
So feel free to change the code and
Yes.
you can try to make it simple.
Yes. I will do that today
Yeah,
night.
yeah. Because my task isn't about a graph, so I just didn't structure it correctly. So you guys can do that.
Yeah. But first I have to look at the graph contents. So Vidya,
Mhm.
I just want to know about the calculation part. So what you're doing is it is the difference between SP done and BB done, right?
She is
Divya is
not
not
able to
here.
talk.
She's
But
like,
yeah, this is what it is, right?
Yeah. Yeah, the minimum value will be 0 and the maximum value will be the highest difference between the any of the objects SP done and BB done value, right?
Why do you want that calculation right now?
Yeah,
No,
yeah. You don't
I
need
don't
that
understand.
calculation.
Okay. Okay.
But the calculation part, let that be a separate backend call right now. Just like talk about what front end needs to do right now. So like this is what front end is receiving, right?
Yeah.
Their perspective, they need to show the final value. This is the final value.
Uh-huh.
And they need to have on one single chart, like these are the labels you can see right here.
Okay.
Like, these are the labels you got. These labels, which are shown over here. You guys can populate these data, this date.
Mm-hmm.
And this is right now bar graphs. Instead, just make a line on this same bar, plot 2 lines. So one for one, this is the array of the SP done. Second array is for BB done. Plot both of them on this.
Okay.
This is the final calculated value also shown. That's it. That's all you guys need to do.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
And yeah, regarding, so first of all, you are for the calculating the API, you need 2 things: the project name and the sprint name, right?
Mm-hmm.
So here I showed, is Vishnu on the call right now?
yeah, yes,
Yeah.
yes, I am.
So like I had a talk with Vishnu when he was creating that time. So like there's one API/projects. So I'll show you that as well.
And one more thing, yeah, I just need to do, I wanted to ask you this thing. Can you copy paste that API in Slack, or at least ping me? And one more thing, Manish, this is like do that. We are not done with the projects and selecting the project and sprint selection, right?
Mm-hmm.
So do it for one project and one sprint. Later, when we do the, like when a user logs in, he needs to select the project and sprint, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we are not done with that part. So when we are done with that part, it should automatically display this thing.
Oh, okay.
We are supposed to do that in the first milestone, but we missed it. So we have to do that this milestone.
Okay. Yeah. So who's doing that? That part?
We didn't do the sprint planning yet, as well, like planning for this, right? So maybe after this call or maybe tomorrow morning we'll plan.
Yeah. So
In a meeting.
okay. Can we
This
plan it after
milestone planning
this
we
call?
already did.
Sorry?
This milestone planning we already completed.
Yeah, yes, we are supposed to do today, but yeah, so we'll do it.
Yeah, into that front end channel, I pasted 2 APIs.
Okay.
Both are get, you can see. See, for
One
the
for
first
projects
API,
and one for sprints.
yeah, so if
Okay.
you see the second one, so that will, I told you, right? So whenever, let's say you log in, so let me log in again.
Even I did the sign out ka button too. I'll just push my code into dev.
Yeah, just like means raise up here.
Which is just getting too difficult every time to edit the URL and go back.
So like you see, right, after you log in, there before displaying everything, there should be an option over here or somewhere.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
That where you will be showing calling this API, right? This API will return you list of all the projects and the sprint name sprints available for that project. Right now, there is only, if you see the array, there's only one object.
Yes.
So there will be like two drop downs. One, you select the projects. One is once you select the project, then you will be able to see the available sprints for that project.
Okay, so
uh,
yeah. So these projects and sprints, those will be user specific.
right. This will be user
Cool.
specific. Right now,
Okay.
we are just concentrating on one right now. Once we created more in the Taiga, like before final demo, we create more of these, and like front end will be getting more, will populating like more in the array. So let's say when the user clicks that what's it, project and sprint name, just store it in the state somewhere. And for, let's say now the user selects burn down consistency. When he clicks that, then you guys are called this API, and you already have the project name and the sprint name with you. You call this API, you get this data and just display the chart. Got it?
Okay.
Then the same, like right now you have all the details of the project and the sprint. So you just need to call these respective things with the same, with a different API, of course, but like this, of course, same parameter.
For the same project and same sprint.
Same sprint, you will get different values, just need to display.
Graphs. Okay.
Got it?
Do you have any sample code, Sam, for this graph?
It's already here. Like you guys already plotted it, right? These are the labels I was saying. And let's say for the burn down consistency, this is the data, right? So in this use state, right here, this one. So you guys just need to modify this object.
Or you can change it to, like, there's no issue. It's not like you have to use that only.
You can change it, like you can change it, but
Yeah.
Basically here you need to provide the data, and like these are the labels. And but this is for the bar graphs. Just have a look how to plot the line graphs.
There is interface in the template for line charts.
There is another like.
There will be, yes. Good. Anything else, guys? This is the bar, right? You're running the bar chart. Will something
Just import a line and just change the tag. Maybe it will.
Yeah. If you change that
It's
bar
exactly
to
same.
yeah.
There will be different. So you guys are doing which one right now? This one.
We are doing it from the template.
But that's fine. But like these are the code for the templates have been created from here only. No? These are the library.
Yeah.
Looking in the library. Getting?
Okay.
Just trying to find the what all the library offers right now.
Line chart it showed in the library when I looked for it.
There will be, right?
Yes, line chart. It's in JS2 itself.
Where? This one?
Yeah, JS chart JS2. Yeah.
This one?
Yeah. That is imported in that, and in that there are two parts, line and bar. In that, line is imported.
Maybe Sam, in the code, try changing bar to line. Maybe you will see some change.
Like, I don't want to do hidden trial. There should be a documentation. Nah?
Yeah.
I just want to see where's the documentation. Okay, but I am pretty sure you guys can figure it out. Otherwise, let me know. Okay, this is you guys are doing bar.
Line chart under the donut pie chart.
Yeah, so yeah. But yeah, I think you guys can now figure it out how to implement it. Anything else? Like in the line, just have a look. This is a single line. In the same chart, you need to plot two lines. Good.
Yeah.
Anything else? Like one thing you guys can do right now, don't display any chart. Cool. You can just or maybe display a blank chart or something, or don't display this component only. Just right now have a drop down selecting the project and the sprint. When they do, then enable this part, or that, or
Okay,
like you
okay.
guys, like it's up to how you guys design it. But until and unless they select this, don't allow the users to
Yeah.
select this, because
So from
otherwise they'll
from
become-
what I'm thinking is like when a user logs in, he just needs to redirect to a different page than this one where he sees the project ka drop down and sprint ka drop down. Once he clicks OK or next, he'll see this logger ka page.
or if it would be better if you can select in the making in the same page only.
Okay, in the same page. Okay.
I would suggest that. The reason is because let's say he wants to see we will like put it
Okay.
like this. A user can see can see the different charts of the same project, or he can see the same type of chart for different projects.
Yeah, got it. Even if he
So,
wants to change, they can change it then and there itself.
If you want, you can do it like this. After selecting the project and sprint, there's a compulsory fetch button if you guys want, because otherwise it will be very difficult to do all this, right? Or like you can do also like either you click this or you click the project and the sprint. Every time a new backend API will be hit, then that will make sure like either you change this or this. That should take care of both the scenarios.
Yes, got it.
Okay, guys.
Okay. Yeah.
And anything else?
Anything else, Abhishek? I think that's it.
No, I think that's fine, Sam.
Cool. Okay,
Yeah,
guys.
front-end people stay back.